This is the analysis of Munger Ganga Bridge, a comprehensive report. The Munger Ganga Bridge is also known as Sri Krishna Setu, is a significant infrastructure project in India that connects the northern and the southern part of Bihar over the Ganges river. The bridge is a combined rail and road bridge, enhancing connectivity and economic development in the region. This engineering marvel is a part of India's broader efforts to improve transportation network and boost socio-economic integration. The bridge is located near Munger in the Bihar, links Munger district on the southern side to Khagaria district on the northern side of the Ganges river. The bridge is strategically important as it forms a vital link for the both road and the rail traffic, reducing travel time, facilitating the movement of goods and the people. It connects NH 31 and NH 80, marking and making transportations more efficient and reducing the load on the other bridges in the state. The Munger Ganga Bridge is approximately 3.69 km long with an approach length of about 14 km. It is designed as a double-deck bridge with the lower deck accommodation railway track and the upper deck serving as a two-lane road. The bridge is designed for a seamless integration of rail and road traffic, making it a unique and multifunctional structure. The construction of the bridge began in 2002 under the leadership of then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. However, due to the various delays, the project took over 2 decades to complete. It was finally inaugurated for rail traffic on March 12, 2016 and for road traffic on February 11, 2022. The bridge was constructed by the Indian Railway in collaboration with several engineering firms, incorporating modern construction technique and the materials. The bridge has significantly boosted economic activities in the region by improving connectivity between North and the South Bihar. It has facilitated trade, commerce and tourism. Farmers and traders now have better access to market, which have positively impacted their livelihoods. The bridge has also played a crucial role in improving access to education, healthcare facilities. Earlier residents had to rely on boat or to take long routes via other bridge, which were time-consuming and unreliable. With the completions of Munger Ganga Bridge, these challenges have been addressed, making daily communities safer and more efficient. The construction of the bridge faced numerous challenges, including land acquisition issues, funding constraints, and technical difficulties. Political and administrative hurdles also contributed to the delay. Despite this setback, the bridge stands as a testament to the India's growing infrastructure capabilities. Here is the environmental consideration. While the bridge has brought numerous benefits, it is essential to consider its environmental impact. The construction phase involves alterations of the river ecosystem and long-term monitoring is necessary to ensure sustainable development in the region. At the last but not the least, here is the conclusion of Munger Bridge. The Munger Ganga Bridge or Sri Krishna Setu is a landmark achievement in the Bihar's infrastructure development by connecting the northern and the southern region of the state. It has fostered economic growth, social integration and improved quality of life for millions. Despite its delay completion, the bridge symbolizes progress and potential for transformative change in the India's transportation sector. Thank you for watching this video.